Hey guys, what's up and welcome back. Today we are going to be unboxing the June Petit Vour box, so if you would like to see that, please keep on watching. Alright guys, so like I said, today we're unboxing June's Petit Vour. If you don't know what Petite Vor is, I will have all the information listed down below, but it is basically a vegan, cruelty-free subscription beauty box that you can get every month. They also have an entire boutique where you can go and buy vegan makeup, like the top of the top vegan makeup, clothes, accessories, handbags, body stuff, hair stuff, basically anything. And it's wonderful. I love it. You guys know that. I talked about it. I will link all of my other Petit Vour hauls, videos, unboxings, whatever down below. I love it. So when you open this one's box, it looks like this. And then we have the card that tells us everything. So the first thing I'm grabbing out of here is this Brown by Adenim. And it says it's a natural waterproof eye pencil. Looking for a clean kohl pencil dupe? This is it. Smudge proof and hyperpigmented, this certified natural eye pencil is long wearing and comes with a detachable sharpener, and it retails for $19. So we've got obviously the pencil on this side. Ooh, nice and pigmented, and it's obviously brown. That's what it says it is. Beautiful. And then on this side you just pull this off and then pull this off, and here's your sharpener. That is really cool, and I'm very excited to play with this. The next thing I'm pulling out, there's two of, and it's this Ursa Major Bright and Easy Flash Mask with pomegranate and alfalfa. And it says, a powerful, fast-acting enzyme face treatment, gentle enough for sensitive skin. This flash mask restores luminosity and firmness and retails for $12. The next thing I am grabbing out of here is this Kindred Skincare Co. It doesn't say what it is. So this is, La Femme Body Oil. A nourishing and quick absorbing body oil with mineral powder that moisturizes, soothes, and gives skin a subtle shimmer, and it retails for $20. It kind of smells like roses. It's just, yeah, just an oil, but ooh, it feels nice on the skin, very hydrating. It does give a slight sheen or shimmer. I'm not sure if you can see that, but so the last thing in this month's box is this Lysoma Photonic Light Shifting Solution SPF 25 Broad Spectrum Facial Sunscreen and Moisturizer. And it says, this clean moisturizer spreads on like a dream and leaves a flawless finish on skin while providing SPF 25 Broad Spectrum UVA UVB protection, and it retails for $17.50. Very excited for this. You guys know I don't tan. I burn and freckle. Sunscreen is my best friend, so I'm very excited for this. It'll definitely come in handy while I'm here in Arizona and after we move, because we're moving to another very warm place, so I'm very happy for this. Alright guys, so that was the June Petit Vour box. Overall, I'm very happy with it. I'm especially, I think, the most excited for that eyeliner. I've been looking for a good brown eyeliner, and so I'm very excited to play around with that and try that out. And I'm also excited, obviously, for the sunscreen, just because I like taking care of my skin. I like protecting it. And since I do burn so easily, sunscreen is like my best friend, so I'm very happy for that as well. But yeah, I'm excited for everything. I think this was a great box. I really enjoyed it. Let me know down below if you also get Petit Vour and what you thought of it. Thought of your box this month. And as usual, don't forget to click that like button and to subscribe and ring the notification bell before you leave. I upload every Tuesday, Thursday, and Saturday, and I would love to have you. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys next time. Bye!